Hi guys, Sam with JBugs.com bringing you our new H4 7-inch headlight bulb. Our H4 bulbs have a glass lens, a metal back housing, dust shield, H4 bulb. You can install any H4 style bulb, whether it be an LED, HID, or just a higher wattage replacement. Compared to these have a 55 watt low beam, a 60 watt high beam. The most important thing is what does the pattern look like? These are the other guys' low beams and their high beams. I haven't readjusted either headlight. Both buckets are pointing straight across the front of the car. That is the JBugs low beam, and that is the other guy's low beam. Here we see the JBugs high beam with a focused pattern, and the other guy's high beam with a very spread out pattern. Now that we've got two JBugs headlights in, let's go see what they look like out on the road.
Tighten my seatbelt.
I'd say those are much better on the headlights. High beams are actually high beams. Low beams actually light up the road. I like these headlights. These seem to work much better than the lights we had in here prior.
Yeah, definitely.
Here's a long open stretch of road, 1/8 of a mile plus. Yeah, I'm a fan. Sam approved. Nate approved?
Yep, Nate approved.
All right. So these are our 40001-1 headlights, available online now at JBugs.com.